Okay, ablariabi min falanye kemba leken klama neno ingbeji Nii Ayi aka Ganyobi, and I want to welcome everybody to this YouTube channel. My name is Nii Ayi aka Ganyobi, and here I vlog in Gã, I teach Gã, I do videos in Gã, and also promote the language, the Gã language, that is the Gadangme language, just for people to learn how to speak. So if you are here for the first time, you are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Just as the title goes, today we'll be learning the periods of the day, the periods of the day in Gã. So the periods of the days are morning, afternoon, evening, midnight. How do we say morning in Gã? We say morning in Gã as lebi, lebi, and we say afternoon in Gã as shwane, shwane, and also in the evening we say beke, beke. Just read my lips, beke. Good. So and midnight is manke, alo nyom. Alo nyom, manke. So let me go over again so that you can remember just what I said. So morning is lebi. You can see after me. Morning is lebi. Say it again. Good. And afternoon is shwane. Shwane. Say it after me. Shwane. And repeat it. Good. And in the evening we say beke, beke. Say it after me. Beke. Repeat it. Good. You've done well. And in midnight we say manke, manke. Alo nyom, alo nyom, manke. Good. So for us not to prolong this video, for you to be able to learn this shortly, it's just a short video for you watching to learn the periods of the day in Gã. And I hope you've really learned something. Don't forget to share this video with someone, or share with someone, a friend, someone who wants to learn Gã. And also, in case you are watching me and you are in the diaspora and you want to learn Gã, tell someone about this channel, and don't forget to share. And also comment on the comments section below, and I'll be teaching more of the things in Gã. Until then, I see you next time on my next episode. Bye bye.
Hey, they call me Godson. Let me be Godson.
Yeah, small. Sometimes the Gã people them say oh no Gã, say oh no Gã, few, but nothing that they hear.
So I know your name is Manche.
Yes.
How long have you been in Accra?
I've been in Accra. It's almost by let's say 19 to 18 years now.
Wow.
I feel like speak song. Oh Charlie, anyami the girl. Charlie, quack. Them things where them they say no. Oh boom on Charlie. My head they pay me say I don't want hear sound. Now they won't hear sound. But you know my language, so I'm trying my best to learn it.